Bumbo cloud. Powerful. That one they powerful. What rhyme with powerful? That one they powerful. Pack up like the ark when Noah full. Bumbo cloud. Blah, 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 blah. They're not bad like me. Hey? Hey?
It's rich.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today we're here with 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 featuring Skepta. Warm remix. We warm winter, but you know you have to warm outside and the girl them mouths. No, I didn't say that. Anyway, let's jump in this one and I hear what the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 say. Let's go. Centrally, let's state.
I stopped rapping and re-offended. You know when the track needs mending. Too much mixing a brizzy. You know when the pat needs blending.
Man say him stop rapping and re-offending, so fuck rap. Re-offend, we re-offend. We the trap and mix up the you know the thing up. Police don't ask me how I know, but that's not.
I stopped rapping and re-offended.
Yeah.
You know when the track needs mending.
Who that? Chip to the chip, make up yourself, chip to the chip.
Too much mixing a brizzy. You know when the pat needs blending.
Blending.
Buy it, cop it, tell me you shot and the gangs on spending. You never beat that mash off one hand after the boot and your hands all trembling.
You never beat it. You never beat the mash with the Glock, the Matic, them with one hand. Never, ever. Like I tell you too. You fin stop tell lie. You never knock it with one hand. You see your chip. I say you no, one hand you knock it with one hand. Pussy after that. Right, let's go.
Too much mixing a brizzy. You know when the pat needs blending. Buy it, cop it, tell me you shot and the gangs on spending. You never beat that mash off one hand after the boot and your hands all trembling. Too much cap I'm hearing.
Who that? Young Philly? Or go and Philly?
Never beat that mash off one hand after the boot and your hands all trembling. Too much cap I'm hearing. Too much swag they're wearing. And ain't bought no hammers, that's so backwards, man, that's scary. Shootouts in the winter, letting off back.
Just see 𝐿𝐶 tonight. They got 𝐿𝐶. See that?
Football boots been dirty. You can't rap like that, you ain't 30. Only time I step out naked is when I'm fresh out of unsweet.
Only time I step out naked when I'm fresh out of the unsweet. So basically, I tell you, say him no left him house and left him have him thing tuck in. Flat pan him belly. Tuck in flat pan my belly. Me nah left my house until me have it on. Me nah come out of my house naked. Him have on clothes, you know. But if him left without a strap, him still naked. You understand? So the only time you catch him naked, the one time him step out, I'm unsweet. Me blood clot, you never see it.
I'm rap like that, you ain't 30. Only time I step out naked is when I'm fresh out of unsweet.
Yeah.
I know I'm a rapper, sorry to say it's on me.
On me.
Pocket rocket, lock it, shorty thinks it's fake.
Pocket rocket, lock it, shorty think it's fake. Fake your blood clot. Shorty, me thing real. Blood clot.
Sorry to say it's on me.
A bit, yo, man just say, big up all of the celebrities them we're in the video. They're keeping it warm in the winter, you're outside. Big up on the say. Me see the whole out, but I can't call the whole out name, because I can't remember some of the name them, you see it?
Pocket rocket, lock it, shorty thinks it's fake. Great, she don't know that I try to get men in his face.
Yeah.
It's for it, it's fake. Great, she don't know that I try to get men in his face.
She think it's fake, but that's great. Me want her to think it's fake, because she don't know some try and knock it with one and our boy face. Walk up. She don't know that. Madness.
Lock it, shorty thinks it's fake. Great, she don't know that I try to get men in his face.
Yeah.
I fire this four in the neighborhood, you're gonna hear goodness grace. If I bust this brick in the kitchen, listen, you're gonna need 2-3 plates.
If I fire this for the neighborhood, you're gonna hear goodness gracious. So someone else will say, goodness gracious me, what is that outside? Margaret, you hear that outside? Look like it's thunderclapping again outside. What is going on? That's the one.
Proud of drops, I'm proud of babe. This one's long but small like Nave. Pick up them cases.
This one long but small like Nave. Nave small, big up. This one long but small like
Proud of drops, I'm proud of babe. This one's long but small like Nave. Pick up them cases, don't wanna cave.
Bumbo clap. Unless you have a bumbo clap spin barrel where you know say the casing them don't drop a gun, pick up your blood clot casing, my friend. Don't get no left evidence. Once is a matic you have, once is a Glock or something you have, Once you knock it, shit I go jump out I go. Police don't ask me how I know. I just know them things. I read books. I read bookses.
Drops to the proud of bay. This one's long but small like Nave. Pick up them cases, don't wanna cave.
Yeah.
The block and they know we're warm. Feds wanna search for hammers and know that they hope they're warm.
Yo, outside. Now the winter, but they know so we warm, brother.
This one's long but small like Nave. Pick up them cases, don't wanna cave. They on the block and they know we're warm.
Me not say warm, me say warm. Warm, you fuck.
Feds wanna search for hammers and know that they hope they're warm. 2L show love to the bells. Only go when the corn gets warm. Cool from bears, well. Home soon make sure it's warm. When they act.
Yo, Philly, I hear a song. You know it red for red, brother. I hear a song to pussy clot.
Tough like we ain't seen no crap.
Oh, here come the G, here come the G.
Cool from bears, well. Home soon make sure it's warm. When they act tough like we ain't seen no crime. Big smoke, K-trap. Way before we had Rolex watches, boy, it was scheming time. Pull up.
Don't bumble clap act tough. And I go like say we never do no crime or we never see no crime. That's what Skepta said. Not me. I'm a law-abiding citizen. But that is what Skepta is saying. Big up yourself, Skepta, I'm a G.
I'm Big Smoke, K-trap. Way before we had Rolex watches, boy, it was scheming time. Pull up in 4 Rolls Royces, look at them racist faces. I know they can't stand me, secret.
So I'm tell you, say, yo, basically, before all of this money and fame and the Rolex and the car and thing, me been a do it. Me bad like a bumble clap. Me bad like a war zone. Me bad. Yeah. Send a boy to the gulag right now. Gulag him right now. You think it be easy? Not because the money, you know, you can see it for me now. Don't think something change. Still, let's say me, evil us. I like it.
Tough like we ain't seen no crime. Big Smoke, K-trap. Way before we had Rolex watches, boy, it was scheming time. Pull up in 4 Rolls Royces, look at them racist faces. I know they can't stand me.
Pull up in 4 Rolls Royces, look at them racist faces. Pussy on the races. On the races. On the like say black youth. Left it.
Tough like we ain't seen no crime. Big Smoke, K-trap. Way before we had Rolex watches, boy, it was scheming time. Pull up in 4 Rolls Royces, look at them racist faces. I know they can't stand me, secretly wish they could still hang me, but now they gotta hang me next to the Banksy.
Bumbo cloud, powerful. That one they powerful. What rhyme with powerful? That one they powerful. Pack up like the ark when Noah full. Bumbo cloud, blah 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 blah. They're not bad like me. Hey. How them still wish said they could have hang. Can't hang, not for hang me.
Way before we had Rolex watches, boy, it was scheming time. Pull up in 4 Rolls Royces, look at them racist faces. I know they can't stand me, secretly wish they could still hang me, but now they gotta hang me next to the Banksy.
Hear that?
Painting pictures.
Them wish them could have hang me, dog, but here what them kids, them have to hang me next to the Banksy. Painting. I'm known worldwide. Painting. That's the only place I got hang me. My portrait, not me. My portrait, pussy. Can't hang me.
Secretly wish they could still hang me, but now they gotta hang me next to the Banksy.
Man.
Painting pictures. Came in the game with a 3.5 on my violent scriptures. Who got vision? Who's talking business?
Came in the game with my 3.5. I'm a violent scripter. In 3.5. What do you mean by 3.5? In strap? Eh? When
Came in the game with a 3.5 on my violent scriptures. Who got vision? Who's talking business? They wanna tell me who's beefing who. I wanna talk about racks and plays. I see 40 M's on the table. It's about time that I act my wage. I'm paid. African boy.
40.
Some plays. I see 40 M's on the table. It's about time that I act my wage. I'm paid. African boy, no MBE. Walked in the club with some MP.
African boy now MBE. Put some respect on the bumbo clock Godfather name. Put some respect on the G name. Deaf? Hug like on it, ref.
Time that I act my wage, I'm paid. African boy, no MBE. Walked in the club with some MP3s on a USB. Walked back at the club with 100 G's. Who's beefing me?
Walk out the club with an MP3 and a USB. Now me I walk out of the club with a bumbo clock. So basically I tell you say walk out of the club with him MP3 or him USB. So him a go do a show at the club. So him need the music on the thumb drive. Yeah? Plug it in, boom, do the music, collect him bread. 100 bucks, gone.
Walked in the club with some MP3s on a USB. Walked back at the club with 100 G's. Who's beefing me? Top Fiat Quat, my soldier rise like Gleam. Old school Meridian, Marley, Christian. Free up the list, you know the hood missed them. Remember them man there try pull up. Silly, you know it was full up. Done a broad day, should've put my hood up. I'm back and better. Tell you what times it was Matt Beretta. Now we
So him tell us say him do something back in the days where him never cover him face and them hold him and send him to prison. Now he's back with it.
Bro, they should have put my hood up. I'm back and better. Tell you what times it was Mac Beretta. Now we got a Glee and a K, that's better. Blessed with the SK verse. Stress on the SK burst.
I say blessed with that Skepta verse, bro. Him blessed with that Skepta verse. Not many people get that shit.
Better. Blessed with the SK verse. Stress on the SK burst. Told my beauty, don't let her go. Wait for the hand gesture first.
Yay! Wait for the hand gesture first. Like a bar shit. Don't shoot yet. Just when me get a signal, knock him. Knock him like door. Knock him. I always wanted to do that. You know when you're watching movies sometimes you see the boss, they at the front and but him you know so that mean kill him. It might get the hand movement. I always wanted to do that shit.
Just on the SK burst. Told my beauty, don't let her go. Wait for the hand gesture first.
What?
Backs that's major, do you like warm? Trending a year later. Power the paper, businessman. Before it was flying a razor. Really flew Bay out overseas. Unlimited sun and loads of sea. Gang still giving them holy teas. AK in the back, got a folded seat. Remember we pulled up with a sawn off. Now we got a G19 and I give it to P. Even though I'm the rapper, he's got more tapes than me.
Yo, this K-Trap guy have mad respect in the music scene, bro. Look how much people in the video, dog. Look how much people there, bro. It's not even just him and Skepta. You have Chip, you have Krypton, you have a bag of man in the video, dog.
Can they know we're warm? Feds wanna search for hammers, I know that they hope they're warm. 2L show love to the bells, only go when the corn gets warm. Call from Bay as well, home soon make sure it's warm. Can't go back and blood gets drawn.
It's bad.
Send man home with a jacket
Chip. You should have a verse on this still, don't you, G? Yeah. As a remix, I think Chip should have a verse on it. Cause you know my fucking Chip. Chip I'm a G. Chip should have a verse on it. Krypton Conan should have a verse on it. Yo, all them man in that video should just get a 8 bar each, bro, and just wreck it, dog. Like, but still, me not taking nothing from it. Big up Skepta, big up K-Trap. It bad, bro. Like, me enjoy it. I enjoyed it, and I hope you did. I hope you did. Remember, there's no other reactors like me on YouTube doing this shit. Remember that. So if you subscribe and stop with the fuckery. Be a fucker and keep up all the while. And if you subscribe, move the bumbuck, lad. Gone. Bumbuck.